Oh my goodness, this is one of the top thrifting hauls of my life, and I'm taking you along. I found antique silver, Christmas home, florals, crafts, real jewels, furniture, linens, and more. Come on, let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Marta McCall. A special welcome to those of you who are new to this channel. We're all about DIYs, especially Dollar Tree DIYs. I love that place. What an amazing resource. Thrifting. Almost everything in my house is thrifted or from auctions, but that'll be our little secret. Don't tell anyone because they'd never guess. And we'll put it all together in interior design. Here's a quick peek at my house. I'll show you how to do everything on a very tight budget. I've been doing just that for years. So come on, let's go. But wait, if you like what you see on this channel, and I hope you do hit the subscribe button right here down below and the bell to get notified when a new video is out. Okay, now, let's go. It's a rainy day, but we don't care. Our first stop is Aurora, Oregon, founded in 1856. It's a National Historic District. Sweet Aurora is utterly charming and has been rated one of the top 10 best antiquing towns in the country. We're going to their annual holiday flea market in the American Legion Hall. Turn back your clocks because we're taking a little trip back in time. Oh wow, the first booth, and there's a perfect pair of antique pillowcases. I'll take them. And the little leaf plate too. Love the crocheted trim, and the plate looks like bronze. Yes, please. I had a feeling this was going to be a great day. Here's a collection of antique brooches. Oh, so cute. And look at all the silver too.
How are you today?
I love Petty Point. This is gorgeous. Look at all that work, and the back is perfect too. I'll finish the background in a black and make it into a small velvet pillow, and of course I'll show you how on an upcoming YouTube video. But for $8, this is mine. This booth was run by a pair of 80-year-old besties. I loved everything in it. I wanted to buy it all, but I did buy this pair of earrings for $3. And although these are not emeralds, I can't remember the stone, they're in silver for $20. And garnet drops for $10. Oh my, garnet, silver, and rose quartz here in a 3-piece set for $20. And more garnets on a gold chain, $15. Wow. This place is huge. You could seriously get lost here. And wouldn't that be fun? What a super cute idea. We could totally do this, right? And this. And this. This fantastic coffee pot said $20, but when I checked out, it turned out to be $10. And this adorable tree topper mounted on a candlestick for $6, it came home with me too. Room after room was just filled to the brim. This was a really fun place. I loved it. And since this is only about 25 minutes from my house, I think I'm gonna make this a regular stop. I'll be back really, really soon. For $1.99, this sweet thing came home with me too. From their website, Filbert's Farmhouse Kitchen was born from a love of quality food, exceptional service, and a sense of community. Not only is it adorable, but the food is delicious. I take all my visiting friends here and they love it. We got here as they opened, but I would suggest if you come, make a reservation. It was packed when we left. And by the way, a filbert is what Oregonians call hazelnuts. Cute, right? This is French Prairie perennials. Oh my gosh, say that 5 times fast. I buy a lot of my houseplants here, and every one of them has thrived. In spring and summer, the outdoor garden plants are for sale too. She's got super cute stuff packed wall to wall. Cute felted acorns. Do they remind you of a video I did? And look at these hearts. I love them. They remind me of something in my childhood in Europe. Had to have them. Here they are. I've got to figure out how to make an advent calendar next year. I love concrete and pears, and if you put them together for $7, it's coming home to live with me. Look at this adorable snowflake garland. I think I feel a craft project coming on. This is Back Porch Vintage, and you will see the most stunning, elegant antiques in this shop. There are always a few bargains mixed in, so keep your eyes open and enjoy the lovelies. There's a lot to see here. I could spend hours, but we've got to get going because we've got some major thrifting to do at Goodwill's. I'm getting ideas already. Wow, just look at this collection of copper. A little elbow grease and Wright's copper cream is what keeps mine looking shiny like this. Honestly, silver with red and white transfer wear might be my favorite at this time of year. Did you know that back in the day, the only color that phones and cars came in was black? Here's the adorable silver tree that I got for $8 and a couple of pieces of glassware that I got at Goodwill. So many people tell me that they cannot find anything at Goodwill. I always find everything there. You have to be able to see past the very unattractive metal shelves and envision it in your home. I found this silver bowl. It was $3.99. It looks amazing in my house. And I always buy battery-operated candles. They work. Since we're talking about candles, here's a quick little idea to make an easy, non-electrical light for ambiance. Take a tall, thrifted candlestick, a battery-operated candle, and stack a lampshade on top. This was maybe $8 altogether. And there in the bric-a-brac was this charming crystal jam jar. I bought it for $3.99 because I use them all the time. This modern ceramic lighted tree from Opal House at Target was too sweet to leave behind. That stunning vase on the top shelf will look fantastic at my house, and especially since it's half price and $2.50. There's a huge mercury glass vase on the bottom shelf. It's a bit more at $9.99, but if I average out the price between these two gorgeous vases, it's $6.25 each, and I'm okay with that. This is an embossed concrete bowl, and you know how I feel about concrete. It's gorgeous, and it was $2.99. The cart is filling up, but sadly, 2 large things never made it home with me. I was charged for them. I guess the cashier left them somewhere behind the counter. Stay tuned to the end to see what happened. It was surprising and unexpected. If I can find great florals at thrift stores, I buy them, especially the ones that have velvet petals like vintage millinery flowers. I don't know if these two finds go together, but we'll see. $3.99 and $4.99. 3 black and white toile boxes, new with tags. Yep. I thought this vase was interesting. I appreciated its carved glass design. It was $6.99, and now it lives at my house. I often use pretty little pieces of porcelain pottery like this when I style my bookshelves. It's signed D. Randolph and was $1.99. I love a wild wreath with red berries, but I don't always use wreaths in conventional ways. Sometimes I use them placed on the rim of a large crystal or silver punch bowl and fill the center with oversized battery candles. It's super dramatic. More stuff in the cart, but I'm not finished yet. This is an extra large metallic hand-painted cookie jar from David's Cookies. There's one for sale on eBay for $50, so I guess spending $6.99 was okay. The cart is full. This is the final wreath. I'll absolutely use this glorious gold in my decor. Here's what I got at Goodwill number 2. Super plush, luscious black feather bow was $6.99. I think I'll drape my mantle in it next Halloween. This Ivy Botanics Cleanse Candle is brand new. So do I keep it or gift it? I'll definitely keep these 3 new pear candles. They were half price, $2, but I might not burn them. I'm thinking this little pitcher will be perfect for a collection of posies. It was $2.99. These classic brass candlesticks were $9.95 for the pair. The square candles are from my collection and they're hard to find. But if you have a source and you don't mind sharing, drop me a comment below. Thanks. 9 feet of glass garland, $1.99. There are so many uses for little ramekins like these. I find I use them all the time, 99 cents each. More velvet hydrangeas. These are super gorgeous. I can't wait to place them. They were $4.99. There's a story behind this piece. Back in the mid-90s, I produced 2 art and craft fairs, the Dickens Fair and a Victorian Christmas in the Country. I had hundreds of vendors, and one of them was a husband and wife team, the Froelicks, whose barn buckets are now iconic. I have 2 others, so this one makes 3. I think I'm now officially a collector. I couldn't be more pleased. These may look like napkin rings, but I'm going to make them into tiny wreaths for a garland, a little greenery, a tiny bow, and they'll be good to go. This is a true crafter's crown, don't you think? Galvanized steel is so practical. It was $3.99. Cute! These 2 wood tree pieces were sitting on a shelf. They slide together to make an adorable 18-inch tree. It was half price, which came out to 99 cents. Unbelievable! These 2 whimsical trees were another steal at $2.99 and 99 cents. So here's the final part of the story. The first 2 things I found at Goodwill number 1 were rung up, but the cashier never handed them back to me to take out of the store. The manager helped me search for them later, but they were gone. I was refunded, sad, but as it turns out, not so sad, because while I was looking throughout the store to see if they'd been put back, I found another cart full of even better stuff. I guess that's what you call thrifting karma. The first thing I found was this fantastic little black round side table. It was probably from someplace like Home Goods originally. I don't have to do a thing to it, and it was only $14.95. It'll easily find a home somewhere in my house. Next, I found this classic print. I'm not so sure about the blue and white striped mat, so I'll need to think about whether I spray paint it or not. The frame will need a couple of touch-ups, but it was $4, so it's totally worth fixing. These new with tags Christmas and winter dish towels were 99 cents for 2. They're perfect for gifting, so I picked up quite a few. These pretty little ornaments were 99 cents for all 4. This lovely mercury glass lamp was $6.99. The shade from Goodwill number 1 totally works on it too. I always buy stands and pedestals in thrift stores to use under pots or to lift and display objects to give them more importance. This is 7 inches in diameter, solid stone, and heavy. The cork is removable, and at $4.99, it just might go in my kitchen. This beautiful 18-inch square linen pillow with the fantastic French graphic has a zipper, so it'll be easily laundered. I might replace the stuffing with a feather insert to make it even softer. This was half price, so I paid $3.50. Phew, that was about 11 hours of solid thrifting, but with great success. This was one of the top 5 hauls of my life, and I'm so glad I was able to share it with you. Now I've got to get to work placing it all in my home, which I'll share in future videos. If you'd like to support this channel, and I'd be so grateful if you do, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share. Thanks everyone. See you real soon.